Here we go on another lunch run. This time we're heading up to Loopy's. We're gonna go sit on his back deck overlooking the Chippewa River, have a little lunch. Hazel's permitted on the deck, so she's along today. After that, we're going to take a little run to the west. About 150 mile day laid out, just a loop up through Colfax, Boyceville, Knapp, Spring Valley, Elmwood, Eau Galle, and back home eventually. Just hitting a bunch of beautiful country roads and enjoying the day. Come on along for the ride. Hi, Hazel. Hi, Hazel. There's the Chippewa River. A few miles upstream. We're gonna go have some lunch. Working our way up 960th Street. We kind of zigzag our way up the west side of Eau Claire and work our way to Loopy's. Alright, so this is Loopy's. Alright, let's go in and check it out. Alright, this is the view of the river from the deck. Pretty cool. Normally there's a tiki bar out here.
There is.
But it's closed at the moment. Hazel, what are we doing? Where are we? Are you up in a chair? Well, I finished up our lunch. Didn't exactly shoot video of it there because they're playing music in there, which is what I run into a lot of places when we're trying to get video, is there's music on that's going to get me a copyright violation. So maybe we'll just describe the lunch here a little bit and show a picture of it. How lame is that? But what'd you have?
I guess you can't taste from a picture anyway or a video. So I did the turkey club, I think it was called. It's very good. They have bacon and melted cheese on it and tomato on a hoagie, and then I always have their tater tots and honey mustard dipping.
It's the reason she wanted to come here. I just had a grilled chicken wrap with spicy ranch, and it was pretty good. So, all right, down the road we go. Maybe we'll see what Hazel has to say about that, and then we'll get on them and ride them. Hazel, what do you say the whole time Mom's in the bathroom? Are you whimpering a little bit? Who's that?
Did you wiggle your way out there? Did you wiggle your way out? You're supposed to put your booty in.
All right, back on the road. Working our way up County M towards Colfax. Fairly new pavement on this. This is nice shape. I think it's County N up this way that was kind of rough last year, if I recall. But M, as in Mary, is in nice shape. And there's some fun curves on here. M was a blast coming up through there. Now we're heading west on 170. Alright, dropping south off from 170 out of Boyceville. Working our way down towards Knapp on County O. Now the radar lies because it's sprinkling now. Doesn't seem like it's going to get a whole lot worse, so we'll just ride through it, I think. Sure, my wife has some choice words for me back there as we rode towards the darkness. So in my defense, none of that was on the radar. I looked. A little bit, yeah. Nah. Are you getting wet, Hazel? Working our way through the town of Knapp. We're going to pick up Q to the south here in just a minute. And take a little loop to the south down towards Spring Valley Elmwood, and then headed back towards home. A little route deviation. We were taking County Q down to N, and 90th Street here is just a little cut through between it. Brand new pavement, just really drops into a valley. Pretty cool. Since rain seems to be moving in, we'll take a couple miles and a few minutes off the route. I really want to get down and run Highway 128 as it comes down into Elmwood. This is County Road N. They're south of Highway 94 and kind of paralleling it to the west. Some nice sweepers up this hill. Get a squirrel, get out of the way. Thank you. Taking the back door into Spring Valley here. A worthy stop here in Spring Valley is Mooney's Rusty Horse. Today we're just looking for a little bio stop. How about the Scenics? This is County B, south of Spring Valley. Between this and a section of 128 down here, makes for a really nice ride between Spring Valley and Elmwood. I think they overachieved on the guardrail in here. So B came over to 128 and we're just dropping down to 72 now as we approach Elmwood here. We dropped off 72. We are on County C following the Eau Galle River down towards Eau Galle. Can't get too many peaks at the river, but I can see it on the map next to me. Beautiful back in here though. Kind of fun to get on a road that I don't recall. This is County Y. We are east of Highway 25 now. Heading down in, going to cross the Red Cedar River in a minute and work our way back up to County C, going east. And this is the Red Cedar River. Some great views over my right shoulder there. I think we're going to wrap this one up for the day. We're on Y, almost up to County C. Let's work our way home from here. But really nice day out. A little bit on the cool side, cloudy, but all in all, a nice ride. Good to get out. Going to be cooler for a couple days, and we're going to be up north for a few days. For now, thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.